When your Metabo HPT battery won't charge, there are several systematic steps you can take to identify and resolve the issue. Let's walk through the most effective troubleshooting process. First, verify the basic connections. Ensure your battery is properly inserted and locked into the charger. Check that the charger is plugged into a working electrical outlet. Also, make sure the battery terminals are clean and free of debris. Next, check the battery's fuel gauge indicators. Most Metabo HPT batteries have a button you can press to display the current charge level. This helps determine if the battery has any remaining power. Pay close attention to the charger's indicator light. A fast flashing red light typically indicates a faulty battery that may need replacement. A slow flashing red light means the battery is too hot or cold to charge. A solid red light shows normal charging is in progress. Temperature plays a crucial role in battery charging. If your battery is too hot from recent use or too cold from storage, allow it to reach room temperature before attempting to charge. Extreme temperatures can prevent the charging process from starting. Finally, make sure your tool's power switch is in the off position while charging. Try a different charger if you have one available. Look for any visible damage to the battery or charger. If all these troubleshooting steps fail, the battery's output may be suspended due to a malfunction and may require replacement or professional service. Remember, most Metabo HPT battery charging issues can be resolved through these systematic troubleshooting steps. Start with the basics and work your way through each check methodically. If basic troubleshooting fails, you can try resetting your Metabo HPT battery using several methods. The most common approach is jump-starting it with another working Metabo HPT 18-volt battery. Connect the positive terminal of the working battery to the positive terminal of the problem battery. Do the same for the negative terminals. Use appropriate wires or jumper cables for this connection. Maintain this connection for exactly 15 seconds. This brief connection can help reset the battery's internal protection circuit. Alternatively, you can use the same jump start method with an 18 to 20 volt battery from another brand, such as Milwaukee or DeWalt. The process is identical. Connect positive to positive and negative to negative for 15 seconds. Some Metabo HPT tools have a reset button located on the battery itself. Look for a small button, usually near the charge indicator lights. Press and hold this reset button, then place the battery on the charger to see if it begins charging. If none of these reset methods work, the battery may be permanently faulty and require replacement. Check if your battery is still under warranty, as Metabo HPT batteries typically come with a multi-year warranty that may cover defective units.